Jalar Comtend piny kod otiko mar Roots George Wajackoyah okwedo weche mawachore ni oriwre kod kweth mar Azimio One Kenya Alliance kowacho ni pod entiere e ng'we laro Comtend piny. Wajackoyah okwayo oganda ma pacho ka mondo obi olut ne ombulu e yiero mar chieng' tich ariyo juma manyien kosingo bero ngima oganda. Wajackoyah nosir kod jalupne Justina Wamae kane gilimo gwenge mopogore opogore e Parklands boma ma Nairobi.
We need a fair game. Whoever wins in a fair way, we shall support him. Yeah. But this issue of saying, vote for me and don't vote for Raila, vote for me and don't vote for Ruto, our system is different. Even those who are here, if you feel like Ruto has said and stands to be this way, vote for him. We are all Kenyans. If you feel like Raila has done this, vote for him. If you feel like Wajackoyah has done this, vote for me. But don't fight. I didn't know that my namesake, the guy who took my name recently, and recently I gave him quite a lot of money, plus a very expensive watch, because he wanted to look like me. So that is the Wajackoyah who is joining other parties. But the real one is here. Yes. So when they say that, oh, this is how it has been. When I speak something on Raila, these other people say, that's a project.